guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Katie and today we are doing my July favorites video. I haven't done a favorites video in ages and I have quite a bit to get through, so let's jump into it. Okay, so the first things I have are for body. The first thing is the Kiehl's Creme de la Corpse Nourishing Dry Body Oil. This is amazing. I was using the L'Occitane body oil and I have to tell you, this in my opinion is better. I find that it's a bit more like nourishing feeling, like my skin feels softer. I feel like it absorbs it more and it just all around, I feel like it's just better. I also like that it comes in a plastic bottle rather than glass, because as you're spraying this on, you're getting oil on your hands and then you're touching this and the glass bottle gets really slippery and you can't control the spray anymore. Whereas with this, I don't have that problem. Also, the L'Occitane bottle is really awkward to hold, whereas this, it fits really nicely in your hand. The next thing I have is the Kiehl's Creme de la Corpse Soy Milk and Honey Whipped Body Butter. This is really thick and you probably don't want to use it in the summer, but for myself, I have dry skin and I just find that this is amazing. I use it once a day after my nighttime shower. I wouldn't put this on in the morning because it does take a while to soak in, but it's so nice and it really is like proper whipped. And it smells so good too. I just really love this combo. So what I do is after I get out of the shower at night, I spray just like 1 or 2 spritzes on each leg, arm, back, stomach, all of that. And then I take some of this, just a tiny bit, and massage it in with the oil, and the two together is just like an amazing combo. The last thing for body is the Saint-Tropez Gradual Tan Watermelon Infusion. Okay, do not let this fool you when it says it's a gradual tanner. It is a gradual tanner, but not in the sense of what you think of. I was thinking of like the Jergens gradual tanner where it's like a lotion and you put it on every day. This is like a proper tanner. It just looks like lotion in the bottle. It's white and you will be so dark the next day. So prepare for that. But something that I love about this is smells so good. It literally does smell like watermelons, and so that sold me on it. But also it's like moisturizing too, because after you get out of the shower and you're getting ready to self tan, you can't put moisturizer on. And so this is moisturizing, which I love, because like I mentioned, I do have dry skin. I feel like because I use this, it makes my tan last longer also. Okay, moving on to hair. You can't see it, but I got my hair done last month and I wanted to switch up my hair care routine because I did go tiny bit blonder. I'm thinking about getting rid of the blonde for fall, but we'll see. And so I started using the Moroccan oil products. I've been using their oil for years. You guys, any long-term subscribers would know that. But Erin Williams was talking about her hairstylist had recommended the Moroccan Oil Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. And she was like, I started using it and noticed a difference in my hair immediately. I can say the exact same thing. Like, this is the best shampoo and conditioner I've ever used. Smells fantastic. A bit pricey, but as far as other high-end shampoos go, it's in the same price range. It's, what is this, $26 a bottle? And then also, they have a lot of different ones. I'm using the Repair. They have volumizing, clarifying, moisturizing, things like that. And then I also got their hair mask, which I couldn't take out of the shower because the jar is just soaking wet. But the hair mask is amazing as well. And then for dry shampoo, I switched up to the Moroccan Oil Dry Shampoo for light tones. I haven't found a dry shampoo for light tones. I found them for dark tones, but that's it. The light tones, this actually has a tiny bit of purple in here, which helps to tone your hair. It helps to keep the brassiness out of your hair. And anybody that has like that kind of more ashy blonde like myself, that's what we're looking for. So I am really enjoying using this. It smells amazing, and like it seriously gives you so much freaking volume. It's like ridiculous. And I feel like it really, really works to soak up any oils, use it after working out, stuff like that. For skincare, something I have been using, and this is my second bottle of, or jar, is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. This, first of all, I mean, anything that smells like watermelon, I'm sold. I want all things smelling like watermelon from now on. But I actually really, really like this. I use this twice a week, put it on my skin as my moisturizing step, go to sleep, and the next morning I just feel like my skin looks so much more supple. It just feels so moisturized. And it is so humid in Hawaii right now. It's like absolutely ridiculous. I'm looking outside, there's not a breeze to be seen, and boiling hot. I'm like inside where the air conditioning was just on, and I feel like I'm sweating like crazy. I know it's the filming lights, but still. So I really, really like using this because the humidity and stuff draws moisture out of your skin. I feel like it's so important that I be putting it back in all the time. So it smells amazing, and it works really well at adding that extra bit of moisture. And it also says that it offers glowing radiance and softening of the skin. Because it is summertime, it is sunscreen time. Well, for me, it's sunscreen time all year round, but for everybody else, you're more focused on sunscreen in the summer. My favorite is the Drunk Elephant Umbra Sheer Physical Daily Defense. It takes a bit more to work it in, but I have noticed if instead of just putting it between your hands and trying to rub it in, instead if you dot it around your face and then work it in from there, it works really well. The other thing I really like is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Body Mist Sunscreen. This says SPF 100. I just want to point out, if it says SPF 100, that really means it's SPF 51. I mean, it's not even SPF 51. It's only 1% stronger than SPF 50. This is just a sales technique, but the reason I like this is actually the handle. The problem with the sunscreens that have the push top handle is it's really hard to like get your back and stuff on your own. But I find with this, it's so much easier because you can do it with your index fingers, flip it upside down and rub it all over, or run it all over. And it just is so much easier to use. On to makeup, the first thing I am loving is the Huda Beauty Resting Boss Face Waterproof Setting Spray. This is an ultra matte finish. Because I have dry skin, I use a lot of moisturizers and stuff like that, and so I always have kind of like that glowy looking skin. And because I'm really good about like cleansing my face and whatnot. So I have the radiance underneath it. But because of all of that, I feel like I also get really shiny, especially, you know, dealing with the humidity and stuff. So I find the matte finish is so nice because it doesn't make me so matte that I'm like, whew, what happened to my face? You know, I retain like that three-dimensional look. Also, I love the spray. It's amazing. The only thing I will say, and I've actually seen this after I looked at reviews on the Sephora website, is the very first time you use it, it's just gonna shoot out straight. It doesn't mist yet, and it's just because there's no product in the tube. So what you wanna do, don't do what I did. I had a full face of makeup on, sprayed it, and it just went whoosh, right in the middle of my face. So instead, just spray it into your shower until it starts to mist. It'll only take 1 or 2 pumps for you to get that mist, and then you're set for life. For foundation, I have switched back to the Bare Minerals Original Foundation Broad Spectrum SPF 15. The SPF inside makeup does not protect you in any way, so please don't believe that. They put it in there as like a selling thing, but it doesn't protect you because you're diluting it by putting it into a product. But anyways, I've switched back to this because it is summertime, and I feel like the powder foundation is keeping me a little bit drier. I feel like I sweat off the liquid foundation so much faster than I do this one. I apply it with the Bare Minerals brush and just zhush it around my face, and it also takes like less than 2 minutes. I would say even less than 1 minute. The next thing, I actually really love this. This is the Natasha Denona Blush and Glow. And this is a blush and highlighter, a little mini quad or duo. And this is in the shade, does it say what shades these are? Blush and Go. No, I guess not. Anyways, the reason I really like this is because the highlight is like such a subtle but there highlight. It's not chunky, it's very smooth and creamy, and then the blush is just so like glowing. If you want that dewy look, like girl, this is where it's at. Then I have some lip products, all about that lip product. So I'm just gonna take you to, I'll just take you through the glosses. The first one is the Anastasia Beverly Hills in Pure Hollywood. This is a liquid lipstick. I freaking love this shade. I feel like it's such the perfect shade for me. And then I also really like the Bare Minerals Gen Nude in Bestie. This is not a liquid lipstick, it's a gloss, but I still really like it. It's not like super glossy though. It's like just the perfect amount. And then you guys know I love the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. This is the lip liner and lipstick. But Charlotte Tilbury also came out with a collection honoring her favorite women or women who inspire her. And I purchased the Charlotte Tilbury JK Magic. This is obviously for JK Rowling. It's the Harry Potter one, and I'm wearing it today. I really love this shade. It's kind of a browny pinky nude, and I struggle with wearing brown shades because my skin has so much red under it. But I feel like this is just the perfect amount of brown. Also, the packaging on this is just freaking adorable. So that is everything I was loving in the month of July. I would love to know what you guys were loving in the month of July. I'm always looking for recommendations, so please leave them down in the comments below, especially for skincare, because you know your girl loves her skincare. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!